Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this episode, I'm gonna walk you through the steps on how you can fix your Sainsbury's grocery app not working. So if you're unable to use your Sainsbury grocery app, then what you need to do is, in order to fix it, there might be several different reasons why the issue might have occurred. Now, some of the simplest way on how you can fix it is that it might be the Sainsbury server itself. So often the issue with Sainsbury's app are caused by issues with Sainsbury server itself. Any large issue across the entire app will be posted to the website or social media platform. For these reasons, I highly recommend you to look for the first to see if the situation, look for it first to see it. You can check the website or Twitter or whatsoever, and apart from it, you can also check for an update. Make sure that you're running on the latest version of the app. In the first thing to check, you'll have to open up the Play Store, and then on the search box you have to type in Sainsbury and check whether you have updated or open. So after done updating your application, if you're still unable to fix it, then you can check you're connected to Wi-Fi or mobile data, and you can switch over if you have connected to either one of it, and that might be able to solve your issue all at once. However, if you're still unable to fix it, then you can try deleting it and reinstalling the app, and that might be easy way to fix the issue. Otherwise, you can just restart the device. So in this way, you can fix your Sainsbury app not working. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.